What's going on YouTube? This is Matt back with another Mach 1 video for you guys, our second video. Now don't get your hopes up too much. We don't have a whole lot going on today. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on where we are with the car. My buddy Joel, we were able to get together and meet up at the location where all the extra parts were and dig through some parts and find a lot of parts for this thing. So I kind of wanted to update you guys. One of the parts we found was this rear valance. Of course you can see dirty, been in a barn for 30 years, but I did have the hardware. I went ahead and stuck it on there, so it's on there. We're going to be doing a few things here and there. I did also take some time. I don't know if you can see, you can kind of see where the tape line was right there, but from here you can really see it. We did some polishing and worked on the paint a little bit, and I think this is going to clean up well. Now the parts that I got are all going to have to be repainted, so hopefully the guy that I have do paint work for me, hopefully he can match this color really well so I don't have to get the whole car repainted, because I feel like this is going to clean up good enough. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to clean up but good enough. But here, let's look at what we got out here. A lot of parts. This is what we found so far. Got the fenders with the fender extensions on the front and all the hardware, lights and everything, which is awesome. Of course we have a hood here with the hood scoop and the grill on the inside, which is all in good shape other than just needing paint. Got the chrome strip on the front. So all of these you can see here. You can tell, you know, been in a barn for a long time. Of course it had the reflective Mach 1, the darker stripe. So we're gonna probably put it back on. I don't know if you can catch the reflection in the video, but it looks pretty cool. I was trying to catch it there for you, but anyways, there you can kind of see a little bit, but that's cool. We'll go up here. We got the rear seat, and I believe this is the tray that goes behind that. I'll have to double check, I'm not 100% sure. Original carpet and floor mats. I don't know if those are original. I don't know. I don't think those were offered back in the day, but I could be wrong. But they were with it, so we got it. And then I don't remember the name of this, but it's like goes right above the front valance, and that chrome piece will go over the top of it. So I don't know what the technical term is, but we got that. We got the parking brake, I believe, the foot parking brake. We got the cowl cover, which will have to be painted. It's a different color, so I'm not even entirely sure that it came off the car, but it is the right one. It's the right date and everything. So we got one door panel. Couldn't find the other one, unfortunately. Hopefully maybe in the future when he's going through some of that stuff, he might be able to find another one. Same story with the rear, I don't know what you call this. Let's see, I don't know, you have to help me with what it's called, but it goes over the back rear quarter panel on the inside, and then kick panels, I believe that's what those are. We got the deck lid, which is right there, and then we got some bumpers front and rear with all the brackets, and then also front valance, and then I believe one of those is the original headliner, and then I think that one's a new one. So we have that. Of course I showed you those, and then I was going to show you in here before we went through the parts, I actually found these on Facebook Marketplace. These are also original 69 front and rear bumpers, no brackets, but they are original with the stamping on them and everything. So those will be going somewhere. I might be selling them, but and then I don't know if I showed you guys in the video, but we went ahead and we got the front and rear seats here. And of course it's the Mach 1 with the red stripe, and we got the dash pad and the dash and everything, and the center console. It's all just sitting there, but it's all there. So all of it's ready. We did get spindles. They're in a box somewhere. I don't know if I dig those out. We got spindles. So we're gonna start working on this thing. I think what I'm going to do first is I would like to just put the body, not necessarily the drivetrain, but put the body together and put like all of the pieces on the car, so I can kind of get more of a for sure like itemized, you know, need to gather parts list kind of thing. So I think I'm gonna do that just as I can get to it. Life's a little busy, so not gonna have a lot of time, and we got a couple other different things going on too in life, but that's the way it goes. So we'll just work on it as we get time. But I'm gonna put the fenders on it, put the hood on it, put all the valance, the deck lid, bumpers, basically everything that I have. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the car. I'm not even gonna clean it up because it's all gonna come back off anyways. I just want to get the car together as much as I can. Interior pieces, I'm gonna put all of them together. I just want to get it together, put it together as much as I can, so that way as I realize pieces that I'm missing, I can just start making a list and start hunting this stuff down. I'll just tell you guys, I don't know what direction I'm gonna go with the car now originally, because I didn't realize that all these pieces were there. I thought they were gonna be missing, or I thought I was gonna have to buy them all. So I didn't intend on this being an original restoration or an original, you know, all the parts being original Ford parts. So I was kind of leaning towards just building a driver and something with a fun motor that I could, you know, beat on and have a good time with. But now that I have all the original parts, I'm weighing my options. Some of you purists will say, yeah, of course, put it back all original stuff, hunt down original parts that you're missing, so that way it's all original, like Ford parts. And that's kind of the direction I'm leaning in. But just tell me, kind of, maybe you guys can kind of weigh in on it and tell me what you think. Maybe you've got some personal experience on doing it one way or the other, and maybe you would have done it differently. Maybe you like the way you did it. I don't know, just give me some ideas. I've personally, old cars, other than the Comet, the 64 Comet that I have, with old cars, this is my first old, you know, true classic, so to speak. Everything else I've always dealt with has been Fox body stuff, and you know, they're going up in value too, but they've never really, I've never wanted to restore a Fox body to original condition. I've always done something here or there, made it fun to drive. So naturally I was leaning that way with this until I had all of these parts. So anyways, you guys need to just maybe weigh in on that for me. Let me know, give me some things to think about. I'm a ways out before I start really spending any money on this thing, because I have a few different things in life going on right now, such as you know, got a family, got a little boy. Actually, I got one on the way. I got a baby on the way. It's a long ways out. We just found out about it a couple weeks ago, but we're excited, and you know, just things like that will slow us down, and that's okay. You know, life goes on. This stuff will not go anywhere. It's going to be here. But yeah, so I'll quit rambling on. But I just would like you guys' opinion on that, and I will continue to make a video here and there on little things that we do. I got to work on my truck. It's having issues right now too. It's got the 7.3 Power Stroke. Of course, if you've seen my videos, you probably know that, but I got some problems with it right now, so I'm going to be working on it as well. So the Mach 1 will kind of be just a here and there kind of thing, but I do want to film a video. I would like to have at least one video every couple weeks if I can. You know, just putting things together and getting a itemized list together. I'll bring you guys in, make you part of that, kind of show you what's involved in putting together a basket case like this, whether it's an old car or a new car that you're getting. If it's in pieces, maybe I'll have some ideas that you haven't necessarily thought of, and if you have ideas, again, just drop them in the comment section. Help me out a little bit. We'll help each other out. Be a learning experience for everybody. You know, unless you've put together 100 of these. I've done a couple of them. Like I said, I worked at a Mustang restoration shop. I've done a couple, but it's always been a customer brought in a car. Most of the pieces, if not all the pieces, were there when they brought it in. We disassembled it, we cleaned, painted, re-chromed, whatever, you know, whatever it needed, we did, and then put it back together. So hunting down parts has been a little bit of a different task, if you will. But with the internet that we have today, it's easy to locate stuff most of the time on stuff like this. You can get on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, you know, our Facebook groups. We pretty much have access to anyone who might have this stuff, so it's not been too bad. But anyways, all right, I'm really gonna quit rambling on this time. I just wanted to do a short update video for you guys, let you know what's going on. Oh, there's another piece that we got too. It's over here, the rear what do you call the quarter extension. I only have one of those, so I need another one for this side. But so anyways, yeah, if you guys have watched this video, maybe you have some of these parts. I am trying to locate Ford part numbered parts. If I can't find a Ford part numbered part, then I'll just go ahead and use a aftermarket repop, but I'm gonna try to find Ford stuff first. That'll be the priority. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna stop for real this time, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off, and I will pick you guys up on the next one.